This YouTube channel, Maro's Tech. If you have been experiencing slow internet on your device but using HTTP custom application as your VPN application to provide you with a secure internet, so worry no more, because in today's tutorial I'll guide you through the verified HTTP custom UDP settings, that UDP trick settings, TWEAK settings, where we're going to set up the buffer size and so many others so that you can be able to access a fully secure internet. So first step, we're going to open Google Play Store, and you're going to once you open Google Play Store, you're going to download HTTP custom application. If you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this video with your friend. In case you get any problem, let me know in the comment section. But if you want to talk directly to me, my WhatsApp number is in the bio of this YouTube channel. You can text me on WhatsApp. I'll be replying you 24/7. So we're going to open, and this is how you are going to set up this application. So make sure that you have an account, and if you don't know how to create yourself an account, I'm going to pin a tutorial in this YouTube video on how to create a UDP account. So you're going to come right here where I'm pointing, and then you're going to come where you see UDP, and then once you tap UDP, you're going to come where you see buffer size. Now the buffer size, you're going to use 1024, and then the TX transfer you're going to use 22, and the RX transfer use 38. Then press apply. By doing that, your HTTP custom VPN speeds will increase 10 times faster than the usual speeds. And that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Maro's Tech, and I sign out. This tutorial is for educational purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and the community guidelines.